Number 1.
1985 Nissan 720, price $10,000. This truck has 179,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. It features a striking red exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving the truck a classic and timeless appearance. The vehicle retains its original factory specifications, both inside and out, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts and collectors alike. It has primarily served as a weekend toy, meaning it has spent most of its time parked rather than being driven daily, while remaining fully insured. The exterior has been exceptionally well cared for, showing no dents, scratches, or noticeable cosmetic damage, and the interior has also been preserved in its original condition. Overall, this Nissan 720 is presented as a well-maintained, highly original classic pickup that is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner without requiring any immediate repairs or attention.
Number 2.
1977 Ford F-150, price $9,800, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a legendary 460 big block V8 engine paired with a durable C6 automatic gearbox. Finished in the exceptionally rare original chartreuse over Wimbledon white paint scheme, it features a yellow exterior complemented by a tan interior. The original factory paint has been preserved, giving the truck an authentic appearance, while the body displays minor dents and dings acquired during its years of farm use, creating a desirable natural patina. The underside remains exceptionally clean with absolutely no rust. The truck has remained largely original throughout its life, with only a handful of tasteful upgrades. These include 20-inch white wheels, an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor for improved performance, modern LED headlights, an aftermarket steering wheel, and a partially refurbished interior featuring new carpeting, upgraded door panels, and an enhanced sound system.
Number 3.
1996 Ford F-150, price $5,500, very solid and well-maintained pickup with 196,000 miles, an automatic C6 transmission, 4x4 capability, a black exterior, a gray interior, and a gasoline engine. It has been kept in excellent condition, with everything functioning properly, including the cold air conditioning and all dashboard gauges. The truck has recently received several important upgrades, including brand new tires, a new brake job, a new fuel tank, and a new fuel pump, ensuring dependable performance. The 4x4 system operates as it should, and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly. It also features LED tail lights, adding a modern touch to its appearance. The vehicle comes with a clean title, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, capable, and well-maintained classic Ford pickup.
Number 4.
1999 Ford F-250, price $5,800. It has 110,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.6L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior and a well-maintained gray interior. This truck has had only one previous owner and was previously owned by a non-smoker.
The engine runs properly with no known issues, and the transmission shifts smoothly.
Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional. The brakes and battery are in good condition. The exterior and interior have been well maintained. The paint remains in great condition, and there is no known history of collision damage. It comes with a good set of Goodyear 245/75 tires, a full-size spare tire, and a truck bed that appears to have seen very little use. The vehicle also comes with a clean and clear title.
Number 5.
1994 Nissan Frontier, price $5,500. This truck has 195,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine.
The truck is in good overall condition with no major mechanical issues.
There is a minor oil leak from the oil pan gasket, resulting in the loss of approximately half a quart of oil every few months. Since purchasing the vehicle, the current owner has replaced several emissions-related components, installed a new radiator, fitted new brake lines, and recently replaced the power steering pump.
Everything is functioning as it should. The truck also comes with newer BF Goodrich Co. 02 tires, providing excellent traction and durability.
It is worth noting that the vehicle was professionally repainted from its original maroon color to white.
Number 6.
1986 Chevrolet K10, price $8,500, powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The engine has been upgraded with double hump cylinder heads, a Crane Cam's hot rod fireball camshaft, Hedman headers, and a Flowmaster exhaust system, delivering impressive performance and a deep exhaust note. This truck has approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior complemented by a black interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has been carefully maintained with no known fluid leaks and comes with a clean title. Recent maintenance includes a new flex plate and starter, along with 2 new wheel bearings. It is fitted with a brand new set of Cooper MT tires valued at approximately $1,200, has good brakes, and is ready to drive.
Number 7.
1978 Ford F-150, price $10,000. It has traveled approximately 173,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline-fed 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a manual transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, its natural patina has been preserved and protected with a clear coat, while the previous owner installed a 351 Windsor engine. Recent improvements include a new transmission, cooling system, brakes, master cylinder, carburetor, battery, clutch, pressure plate, grille, exhaust, and windshield. The bed has been rust-proofed and coated with a durable Raptor liner. The truck rides on Western wheels with new discontinued tires and custom-made center caps. Inside, it features a newly upholstered Regatta blue bench seat, new carpet and floor mats, along with a Bluetooth stereo, new speakers, and a digital speedometer for added convenience.
Number 8.
1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,500. This truck has 178,000 miles on the chassis and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is powered by a freshly rebuilt 454 big block engine with only a few thousand miles, paired with an ACES Killshot fuel injection system and a heavy-duty 4L80 automatic transmission with a shift kit. The truck is reported to be rust-free, with a straight body and no dents, though it could use a fresh paint job.
It is fully drivable, with the fuel injection system requiring only minor tuning for peak performance.
Recent upgrades include new front brakes, brand new front tires, new control arm bushings, a rebuilt steering system, and cold air conditioning, making it a solid and reliable heavy-duty truck.
Number 9.
1993 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,900. Well-maintained dually pickup powered by a strong and healthy 454 7.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. With 148,000 miles on the odometer, it runs exceptionally well and delivers the dependable performance expected from Chevrolet's legendary big block engine. Finished in a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, this two-wheel drive truck has been well cared for and comes with a clean title. The air conditioning blows cold, the tires are in like-new condition, and the truck is completely rust-free, making it an excellent example of this classic heavy-duty pickup. Whether for hauling, towing, or adding a unique and capable dually to a collection, this Chevrolet 3500 offers impressive power, reliability, and overall condition.
Number 10.
2002 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This truck is powered by a reliable 5.3 LLS V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It has 252,000 miles, features a blue exterior with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck runs perfectly and is ready for the road. It comes equipped with ice-cold air conditioning and hot heat, making it comfortable in any season. The entire front suspension has been replaced, providing a smoother and more dependable ride. It also features manual crank windows, and everything functions as it should, including the cruise control. There are no warning lights on the dashboard, reflecting the truck's well-maintained condition. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a dependable pickup that offers solid performance and reliability.